Hello and welcome. In this video, I want to show you how to start creating the new project in the ASP.NET Core MVC. Then I'll show you how to start installing the required Nuget packages inside it. Now let's begin. First, we talked about how to create the database and how to add the sample data inside it. Now it's time to install the Nuget packages. But before doing that, we need to create the new project in the ASP.NET Core MVC. Then start installing the required Nuget packages. So let's say, hello Visual Studio, what's up? This is my Visual Studio 2022 and I'm really happy that I can start working with it. So let's get inside this, create the new project or continue without code, no matter. Let's select this one and create the new project directly. So I have all of these templates over here, but let's select the new one and write the ASP.NET or the ASP, no matter. The first option is the ASP.NET Razor Pages. That is not my favorite. Then the API, then the ASP.NET Core Empty, and this is my favorite one, the ASP.NET Core Web App by the Module View Controller, MVC. Let's select this and get inside the next. In this window, let's write the project name. So let's name it SQL Entity Framework or something like that. You are completely free to write any name that you want. But I strongly recommend you don't use any underscores to separate the different parts of the name. For instance, something like this. To prevent any unexpected errors in the future, let's delete any underscores and use the uppercase at the first letter over here and also over here. And also I have the solution name. The solution is something like the folder that we can add one or more projects inside it. So it is the SQL EF. Also, I added the SN at the end. SN stands for solution name or the solution. Do you want to place the solution in the project in the same directory? No, I don't want to do that. So uncheck this. Also, you have the location here. You can change it to anywhere that you want. Let's leave it by default and get inside the next step. Here I have the framework and I want to work with the .NET 6.0. So let's select this. In this step, I don't want to add any HTTPS protocol to my project, so I can uncheck this. But you can add or remove this matter and option in the future inside your project, so don't worry about anything. Then leave all of this by default and create. Well done, my project is generated automatically, and if I close this and get inside the Solution Explorer, and currently I have all of these folders that are added automatically by the Visual Studio. So this is the default MVC template project, and personally I prefer to use it because everything is added by default by the Visual Studio. And the question is, can I create the empty project and add all of this one by one manually? Yes, you can do it, but it needs a lot of time and effort. So let's use the predefined template for the MVC project. Now I have the controller. Previously we talked about this matter, the models and the views. I have the home controller and inside it the index privacy. Also I have the layout. Previously we talked about all of this step